From the dawn of civilization, humans have gazed up at the cosmos in wonder. The dance of celestial objects, the regular rhythm of day and night, the ebb and flow of the tides, all dictated by forces far grander than ourselves. Among these celestial ballets, few events are as captivating, as awe-inspiring, as an eclipse. When the moon passes between the earth and the sun, momentarily transforming day into twilight, it's a stark reminder of the intricate clockwork of our universe. But eclipses are much more than just visually stunning events. For millennia, they've held a profound place in our collective consciousness, often viewed as harbingers of change, of upheaval, of transformation. Today, we embark on a journey to understand these celestial events through a different lens, that of astrology. We'll delve into how the eclipses of 2025, those cosmic tapestries woven by the sun and moon, might influence each of the 12 zodiac signs. Whether you're a fiery Aries or a dreamy Pisces, this cosmic roadmap will guide you through the year's astrological shifts. Join me, fellow travelers, as we explore the celestial ballet of eclipses and their potential impact on your life in the coming year. Fasten your seatbelts, it's going to be a cosmic ride. Aries, the ram, the first sign in the zodiac, bursting with fiery energy and a pioneering spirit. You, dear Aries, are no stranger to embracing new challenges, to leading the charge, to blazing your own trail, and in 2025 the cosmos has a particularly dynamic year in store for you. The lunar eclipse in your sign promises a period of deep introspection, urging you to examine your emotional landscape and shed any baggage holding you back. This internal shakeup, while potentially challenging, is ultimately a period of immense growth, pushing you to redefine your identity and emerge stronger, more self-aware. On the career front, the solar eclipse in your house of partnerships signals exciting collaborations and networking opportunities. Embrace these connections, Aries, for they hold the potential to catapult you towards your professional goals. This is the time to forge alliances, to combine your fiery drive with the strengths of others, and watch your ambitions take flight. However, amidst this whirlwind of change, remember to prioritize your well-being. The eclipse's energetic shifts can be taxing, so carve out time for self-care, meditation, or simply basking in the simple pleasures of life. Your fiery spirit, though resilient, needs nurturing to truly thrive. Taurus, grounded and steadfast, you find solace in the familiar, in the tangible, in the rhythms of the natural world. But like the changing seasons, the cosmos too brings its own cycles of transformation. 2025, with its celestial dance of eclipses, invites you to embrace a period of evolution, however subtle it may seem. The solar eclipse in your sign, a rare and potent event, marks a significant new beginning in your life. It's a time to reevaluate your values, your priorities, and your sense of self. Don't resist change, Taurus, but rather, approach it with your characteristic practicality and determination. Allow yourself to shed old patterns, to embrace new passions, to plant seeds for a future brimming with potential. In matters of the heart, the lunar eclipse may stir up old emotions, prompting a deep dive into your closest relationships. This isn't a time for sweeping things under the rug, dear Taurus. Instead, communicate openly, honestly, and with your trademark loyalty. Addressing any underlying issues will strengthen your bonds and allow love to flourish. On the health front, prioritize grounding practices like spending time in nature, indulging in sensory pleasures, and cultivating a sense of inner peace. Remember, Taurus, your strength lies in your stability. By staying connected to your roots, you can weather any storm the cosmos throws your way. Gemini, the celestial twins, known for their duality and intellectual curiosity. In 2025, unique cosmic alignments, especially eclipses, await you. Eclipses, where the sun, moon, and earth align, influence your journey. Imagine the sun, a blazing ball of hydrogen illuminating our world, and the moon, our silent guardian, scarred by ancient impacts. When they align with Earth, we experience an eclipse. For Gemini, 2025 eclipses may shift communication, especially in matters of the heart, reevaluate relationships, seek deeper connections, and express emotions clearly. Embrace these changes for profound personal growth. Just as stars guided explorers, celestial events guide your self-discovery. The cosmos speaks in whispers, in the rustling of leaves, and in eclipses. Pay attention, Gemini, for the universe is trying to tell you something. Cancer, the crab, guided by the moon, known for your sensitivity, your nurturing nature, and your deep connection to home and family. The year 2025 brings eclipses that might stir your emotions, prompting introspection. These celestial events offer opportunities for growth and transformation. Think of the crab, its hard exterior protecting a soft interior. You too, Cancer, have an inner resilience to navigate life's challenges. Embrace changes, Cancer, for they guide you towards deeper self-understanding. Leo the lion, ruled by the sun, known for your warmth, your generosity, and your natural ability to command attention. The year 2025 presents a series of eclipses that might challenge your radiant disposition, urging you to look within and redefine your sense of self. But remember, Leo, even in the face of cosmic shifts, your inner fire continues to burn bright. Picture the sun, Leo, a star so powerful its gravity holds our entire solar system together. Like the sun, you too possess a radiant energy that draws people towards you. The eclipses of 2025 might bring about changes in your creative expression, romantic relationships, or even your sense of purpose. Embrace these changes, Leo, as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Use this time to delve into your passions, explore new avenues for creative expression, and reconnect with your authentic self. Remember, Leo, your light shines brightest when you allow yourself to be vulnerable and embrace your true nature. Let the eclipses of 2025 be a reminder that even the most powerful stars experience moments of darkness. It is in these moments of shadow that we gain a deeper appreciation for the light. Shine on, Leo, for the universe awaits your brilliance. Ah, Virgo, the meticulous artisan of the Zodiac. You who find comfort in order and strive for self-improvement are about to encounter the cosmic dance of eclipses in 2025. Don't worry, this isn't a time for alarm, but for introspection. Much like a telescope recalibrating to see distant galaxies, eclipses offer you a chance to refine your focus on what truly matters. In 2025, eclipses may bring about shifts in your career, dear Virgo. You might feel a pull towards a new path, one that aligns more closely with your evolving aspirations. Embrace this period of change, for it's an opportunity to utilize your analytical skills and attention to detail to craft a future that truly resonates with your soul. Eclipses can also illuminate areas in your relationships that require attention. Remember, Virgos, you are not alone in this cosmic dance. Communication is key. Use your natural practicality and grounded nature to address any imbalances and nurture the bonds that bring you joy and support. This is not a time to resist change, but to flow with it, to adapt and grow. Use this time to refine your self-care routines, Virgos. Take time for mindfulness, connect with nature, and remember that even the stars need moments of stillness to shine their brightest. Libra, the seeker of balance and harmony, represented by the scales of justice. The year 2025, marked by its celestial ballets of eclipses, presents a unique opportunity for you. Just as gravity shapes the cosmos, eclipses can shift the dynamics in your relationships, encouraging you to find equilibrium within and with others. This year, eclipses may highlight any imbalances in your partnerships, Libra. Don't shy away from these revelations. Instead, approach them with your innate sense of fairness and diplomacy. Remember, honest communication is the cornerstone of any strong relationship, be it with a lover, friend, or business partner. On a personal level, eclipses in 2025 may inspire you to pursue creative endeavors, Libra. This is the time to tap into your artistic side, to express yourself authentically. Perhaps you'll find yourself drawn to painting, writing, music, or dance. Whatever it may be, embrace it. Allow yourself the freedom to explore and create, for it's through these expressions that you'll find a renewed sense of self. Remember, Libra, life, like the cosmos, thrives on balance. Eclipses simply illuminate the areas where adjustments need to be made. Embrace the changes that come your way, for they are leading you towards a more harmonious and fulfilling existence. Scorpio, the enigmatic scorpion of the Zodiac, known for your intensity, passion, and unwavering determination. The year 2025, punctuated by the celestial drama of eclipses, invites you on a journey of profound transformation. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you are being called to shed old layers and embrace a more authentic version of yourself. Eclipses this year may bring about significant changes in your home and family life, Scorpio. These changes might feel unsettling at first, but remember, change is a fundamental part of the universe's grand design. Embrace these shifts as opportunities for growth and renewal. Your career path might also be illuminated by the eclipses of 2025. This could manifest as a promotion, a new job offer, or even a complete career shift. Don't be afraid to embrace your ambition, Scorpio. Trust your instincts and make bold moves, for the cosmos is conspiring to help you reach your full potential. Remember, Scorpio, transformation is not always easy, but it is always worthwhile. Embrace the challenges and the triumphs that 2025 holds, for they are leading you towards a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. Sagittarius, the archer, always aiming for the stars. You traverse the cosmos with an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and adventure. But even the stars experience moments of celestial shadow play. In 2025, eclipses will cast their intriguing influence on your journey. These cosmic events may bring unexpected changes to your relationships. Don't be afraid to embrace the unknown, for it is in the face of change that you discover your true strength. Just as a comet's tail blazes a new path across the cosmos, so too will you forge ahead with newfound wisdom. Career-wise, eclipses may present opportunities for growth and expansion. New horizons beckon, urging you to step outside your comfort zone. Remember, the universe favors the bold. Embrace the unknown with the same enthusiasm you have for exploring distant galaxies. Health-wise, prioritize balance during these celestial shifts. Just as a planet maintains its orbit through gravitational harmony, so too must you find equilibrium between your physical and mental well-being. Engage in activities that ground you and bring you joy. Capricorn, you are the mountain goat, steadfast and determined, always striving for the peak. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, 2025 holds a unique celestial dance of eclipses that will illuminate your path. These eclipses may bring about transformations in your personal life. Relationships may be tested, but remember, even the most formidable mountains are sculpted by the relentless forces of nature. Embrace these changes as opportunities for growth and deeper connections. Your career may experience a surge of energy during these cosmic alignments. Opportunities for advancement may arise, demanding your unwavering focus and determination. Embrace these challenges with the same tenacity you use to scale the highest peaks. Remember, success favors the prepared. However, even the most ambitious climbers must prioritize their well-being. The eclipses in 2025 serve as a reminder to nurture your physical and mental health. Just as a mountain requires a firm foundation, so too do you need a strong and stable core. Aquarius, the water bearer, you are known for your independent spirit and innovative mind. In 2025, eclipses bring transformative energy, prompting you to reevaluate your place in the cosmic tapestry. Eclipses nudge us out of comfort zones and onto unforeseen paths. For you, Aquarius, this might manifest as a shift in your career trajectory, a yearning for deeper connection in your relationships, or a renewed focus on your personal growth. Remember, change, like the ebb and flow of the tides, is a natural part of the universe's rhythm. During these periods of cosmic shadow play, pay close attention to your intuition. Just as astronomers use eclipses to study the hidden layers of the sun, use these moments to delve into the depths of your own being. Explore new ideas, embrace collaborations, and don't shy away from questioning the status quo. Remember, you are a visionary, Aquarius, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Harness the electrifying energy of the eclipses by grounding yourself in mindfulness practices. Meditation, journaling, or simply spending time in nature can help you navigate any emotional turbulence and emerge from the eclipse season with a renewed sense of purpose and clarity. Remember, even in the face of the unknown, your Aquarian spirit shines brightly. Pisces, the dreamer, the artist, the mystic of the Zodiac. The year 2025 brings forth a cosmic tide of eclipses, washing over your sign with waves of intuition, empathy, and spiritual growth. Like a celestial kaleidoscope, these eclipses offer you a chance to dive deep into the ocean of your emotions and emerge transformed. Eclipses are known for revealing hidden truths, and for you, Pisces, this might manifest in profound realizations about your relationships, your creative pursuits, or your connection to the universe itself. Don't be afraid to explore the depths of your subconscious mind. It is in these hidden realms where your greatest strengths and insights reside. While the eclipse energy can be intense, it is also a potent time for manifestation. Use this period to set clear intentions for your dreams, your relationships, and your spiritual journey. The universe is listening, Pisces, and by aligning your heart's desires with the cosmic current, you can manifest your deepest aspirations into reality. Remember, dear Pisces, you are a conduit of cosmic energy. Embrace the ebb and flow of the eclipses, allow yourself to feel deeply, and trust in the universe's plan. This is a time for profound spiritual growth and creative awakening. As we conclude our exploration of the eclipse's influence on the zodiac in 2025, remember this. The cosmos is a vast and ever-changing tapestry, and we are all interconnected threads within its grand design. Like celestial navigators of old, let us use the wisdom of the stars to guide us on our individual journeys of self-discovery and growth. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more astrological insights.